It's real work problems. You have a list of projects including a status column. You want to change the color of the entire row based on what's in the status column. To do this, select all the rows you want to format. Click the Conditional Formatting button and select New Rule. Select this last option for a formula. In the formula box, select the status cell for the first row. Hit F4 twice so that the dollar signs lock the column but not the row. Then type equals and put the status name in quotation marks. Click the Format button and format the cell the way you want it and click OK. Now if the status is complete, the row turns green. Because you only locked the column, the status cell on each row will determine the formatting. To add other colors to your list, click Conditional Formatting and then select Manage Rules. Select the rule you just created and then click Duplicate Rule. Edit the new rule for a different status and add as many as you need. Now whenever you change the status cell, the formatting will change as well. Follow for more tips so you can save time at work.